Welcome to Bucerias. We're going to take you on a fun walking tour of this quaint little beach town just outside of Puerto Vallarta. We're going to show you all the main areas and then a few of our favorite spots along the way. Let's go. So I'm not going to narrate too much of this video as I want to share the sights and sounds of Bucerias as we explore the streets together. But I will point out what areas we move through and places we like to visit, where we like to stay, and some points of interest along the way. So this is the street that you kind of enter Bucerias from if you're coming from Puerto Vallarta. If you're taking a taxi here and you want to start kind of at the beginning of the Golden Zone and the main area, just tell them to bring you to the Royal Decameron complex. We've now turned down Lázaro Cárdenas Street, which is kind of the main street that parallels the beach and is the anchor to the Golden Zone, where there are lots of accommodations, restaurants, shops, art galleries, and more. One of our favorite things to do is just explore the streets and find all the cute, colorful villas and buildings. Along Lázaro Cárdenas, you'll also find several beach entry points, like this one. This is Unelma Bungalows. This is one of our favorite places to stay in Bucerias. We love it because there are only 4 suites here, so it feels really private and intimate. Hola! Are you ready for this palapa roof villa? Check it out. This is our view every morning. It's also attached to Encore, which is a restaurant and jazz lounge. The food is phenomenal, and the music is even better. Tacos Linda is a great spot for authentic Mexican tacos for really cheap. This is a little further down Lázaro Cárdenas, where there's lots of shops and boutique art galleries. This is Mary Paws. This is a great little supermarket that's located right in the middle of town. They've got everything you need to stock up for a few days, so you don't have to go to a big supermarket across the highway. And this is the view from another great place to stay, Paraíso Bucerias. Again, it's only got 6 suites here, so it doesn't feel busy. It's nice and intimate and very quiet. We've now moved a couple blocks up from the beach on another street that has a lot of great restaurants. I had to take this clip for our Rough Riders fans out there. We've got Café Bucerias, which is by the Flag Street. And we've also got Luna Luna, which has fantastic food. And there's usually live music almost every day, I think. We're now headed back down towards Lázaro Cárdenas to continue our walking tour. Ozzy's is always packed. Las Flores Cafe is another great spot. This one's tucked away, so it's easy to miss. This is where you'll find the art walk on Thursday nights. El Bunker Beach House is a new restaurant and bar that just opened. It's very colorful. Highly recommend checking it out. The Red Apple is one of our favorite places for breakfast. You've got a great view from up top, and there's a nice breeze coming through. It's right across the street from the restaurant called La Postale, so it's easy to find on Google Maps. La Postale has great pizza and pasta, and it's this beautiful open-air garden feel. We're gonna walk about 1 block up here. We've got Gringo's Books and Coffee Shop, a cozy little spot. And then we've got the Gecko Bar and Grill, which has recently reopened. And Ixta is a new place, really great food and a good happy hour. We're continuing down Lázaro Cárdenas to get towards Centro. There's a few more shops along the way before you cross the bridge. Let's see your hat. And this is the bridge to cross to Centro, also known as the Kissing Bridge. So you'll walk through this little alleyway, and then you arrive at the market. The Bucerias market covers several blocks. It's open every day, and you'll find all kinds of things here. It's a great place to go shopping for souvenirs. It's also very close to the beach. And there's usually puppies. After you walk through the market, you'll arrive in Centro. This is where you'll find the big Bucerias letters, as well as the main plaza. There's all kinds of things always going on here. It's also a really good meeting spot if you're taking tours. And this is where they host a lot of events. We were lucky enough to be here on Revolution Day. There's tons of great seafood restaurants down in Centro. There's sports bars. There's several places for live music and dancing. And this is Mr. Taco, who sets up across from Jack's Bar and Grill, and he has great al pastor tacos. We're now just checking out a couple side streets off of the main street in Centro. Tiny Coffee is great. Mr. and Mrs. Fish is another great restaurant. And now we're going to check out the beach. We love the beach in Bucerias. It goes for 5 miles. The sand is very soft. The water is great for swimming. It's mostly shallow and generally pretty calm. Great for water activities, windsurfing, and you can find wonderful massages on the beach here, about 400 pesos for an hour. And you'll often see horses. We did a sunset horseback ride. It was 45 minutes and a really great time. A little pricey though, about 500 pesos a person, but it was a cool experience. On Sundays in Bucerias, they have the big river market. Here you'll find absolutely everything. Horchata fresa. This is some agua fresca. You'll find all kinds of flavors. Horchata is a very popular flavor, but I had to try the strawberry horchata. This market is across the highway, so you can take the pedestrian bridge to get there, or walk along the river canal. clip. I hope you enjoyed our little walking tour of Bucerias. If you did, I've got lots more videos about this charming town. Or you can check out my travel blog for all kinds of detailed information about visiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.